Peanuts can be a great snack option due to their rich nutrient profile, high protein content, and satisfying crunch. They provide a good balance of healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins like niacin, folate, and vitamin E. Peanuts also contain antioxidants like resveratrol, which contribute to heart health. However, they are calorie dense, so portion control is very important. Additionally, some people have made allergies to peanuts, which can be severe. Eating plain, roasted, or lightly salted peanuts is ideal, while avoiding highly processed version with added sugar and unhealthy oils ensures the healthiest options. Today we are going to tell you the benefits and disadvantage of eating peanuts. Peanuts are a rich source of plant-based protein and dietary fiber, making it an excellent snack for sustained energy. The combination of protein and fiber helps keep you full for longer, reduces overall calorie intake and weight management. Peanuts contain healthy monounsaturated fat and polyunsaturated fat, which help lower bad cholesterol while maintaining good cholesterol. They are also rich in arginine, an amino acid that helps improve blood flow and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The niacin and folate in peanuts can help brain function and cognitive health. Niacin helps maintain healthy nerve function and reduces the risk of age related cognitive decline, such as Alzheimer's diseases. Despite being rich in energy, peanuts have a low glycemic index, which means they do not cause a rapid spike in blood sugar. The protein, fiber, and healthy fat contained in them helps keep blood sugar levels stable, making them a good snack option for individuals with diabetes. Peanuts contain a variety of antioxidants, including polyphenols, vitamin E, and resveratrol, which help protect cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Boiled peanuts, in particular, have been shown to have higher levels of antioxidants than raw or roasted peanuts. A small handful, about 28 grams, contain about 160 to 200 calories. So, portion control is very important, especially for those trying to lose or maintain weight. Overconsumption of peanuts, especially with added sugar or salt, can lead to excess calorie intake. Peanut allergies are the most common and can be life threatening. Even small choices can trigger severe allergic reaction. This makes peanuts a risky snack to consume by allergic individuals or in places where cross contamination may occur. Peanuts are susceptible to contamination with aflatoxin, a toxic compound produced by molds that grow on improperly stored peanuts. Exposure to aflatoxin increases the risk of liver damage and liver cancer. Peanuts contain healthy fats and are also rich in omega 3 fatty acid. An imbalanced ratio of omega 3 and omega 6 fatty acid can contribute to inflammation, which can increase the risk of chronic diseases such as arthritis, heart disease, and metabolic disorders. Peanuts contain phytic acid, an anti-nutrient that can interfere with the absorption of minerals such as iron, zinc, and calcium. This can cause deficiencies in individuals who regularly eat large amount of peanuts. By consuming peanuts in limited quantities or choosing the right preparation method, you can enjoy its health benefits and minimize the potential side effect. I hope you found this video useful. If you do, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe my channel.